Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are not in Virginia right now. We are actually back in Charleston for the week. We came here just to kind of relax and hang out with Andrew's parents and just revisit Charleston because if you guys don't know this, if you're newish to the channel, we lived in Charleston the last year and we just moved back to Virginia. So it's really great to be back here. We've missed it a lot. And it's just gonna be a great week of relaxing. We're gonna do some shopping, eat at some really great restaurants, and I'm gonna vlog it. We just got here, we just got out of the car minutes ago, and we're actually staying in a house. I think Andrew got us this to rent for the week. So, hey Emmy, can you say hi? Hi. You happy to be out of the car? Hey, are you happy to be out of the car? So we're actually staying in a house this week, and I wanted to give you guys a really quick tour of it. It's so cute, brand new, still smells new, and it's just really, really cute. So I'm gonna give you guys a tour here right now. So you park your car down here. It's a fenced in little yard, and then a little under, the house is on stilts because we're actually right by the beach. You literally walk right. There's a little pathway right here that leads straight to the beach. Awesome. So the house is on stilts. You come up these stairs right here. And then there is this front porch. Super cute. And I love this little, what do you call this? I don't know. Swing bed, porch bed, I don't know. But it's so cute. And the weather is great. And then you come in the front door, and here is a little dining area. And then the living room with a TV. The windows are so cute. And aren't these walls, the shiplap walls, so cute? Andrew and Oakley. Love this table and the chairs, and then this light fixture. How cute is that? Here is the kitchen. It's so beautiful and white. I love that. These bar stools are super cute too. I love these countertops. Really cute. And then off the kitchen is a half bath. And then in here is the master bedroom, which is where we will be staying. There's the bed. A dresser and a TV. And then this master bath is so cute.
I want something to eat.
Are you hungry?
Yeah, I got stuff to eat.
You got stuff to eat?
I got a drink and a fork.
What are you gonna eat?
Food.
Okay. Look at this shower though. How cute. I've always wanted a shower that had double heads on it. This is like a dream house. Would love to have this house. And then now we're gonna go back this way and go up the stairs. And then there's this little landing with a couch and another TV. And then in here is laundry. I'm serious. I think I could just move in right now. And then off this way is one bedroom. They've decorated really cute in here. And then a bathroom.
What's so cute?
And then this bathroom has a bathtub, and this is where Emmy's gonna stay in here tonight. And then Andrew's parents are actually gonna be staying with us as well, and they will be staying in this room, which is identical. It's just another bedroom. The only difference here is the shower. This is a big stand-up shower. Super, super cute. So I love the white. white is so my color for tile, decorations, counters, all that stuff. So pretty. And then I love that the subway tiles go up so high. So cute, so pretty. So that is the house. We're really excited to stay here for the next week. And then look at how cute this is. So this is where we're gonna stay for the next week, and we're really excited, and we're excited to take you guys along with us. It's gonna be really fun. So we've had a great day so far. We've just kind of relaxed and hung out with Andrew's parents, and Andrew's sister came over, and it was just a great relaxing day. We went down to the beach and let Emmy run in the sand, and she had a great time. She got soaking wet, and it's kind of still cold out, but she had a great time. And then now Andrew and I are going on a little date, and I'm really excited. Dates are like one of my favorite things, but we don't ever really do it anymore, which is not good. But we're doing it tonight. So we are gonna go to well, it's my favorite. I don't know if it's Andrew's favorite. But it's one of my favorite restaurants in downtown Charleston called Monero. It's like a modern Mexican. So we're gonna go there for dinner, and then are we going to dessert?
We'll see. We'll see how we're feeling.
I'm feeling Jenny.
Oh yeah?
You can't not go to Jenny's. Don't make me mad. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. It's raining outside, which is why there's all these little freckles on my face, but what do you have to say for yourself? You're a good looking man.
I know.
Do you love me?
Mm-hmm.
Are you excited to go on a date?
I guess.
You guess. This is why people think that you're a turd.
I asked you on a date. So.
He did ask me on a date. He said, can I tell them what you told me?
I forgot, so.
He said, can I take you to Monero tonight? And he like said it so like he was asking me on a date. I don't know if he meant to or not, but it was like, did you just ask me on a date? It was really sweet. All right, let's go eat some tacos.